Today, I'm going to deep clean this dirty BMW M2. Polish the paint to remove all scratches and ceramic coat the entire car. You won't believe how extremely shiny the BMW will be. At the end, I will show you a few before and after comparisons so you can see the difference. As always, this is an ASMR video without annoying music. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the sounds of the detailing. Alright, so the first step is cleaning the wheels. For this, I use the wheel cleaner from Koch Chemie. I spray the rims, wait about 3 minutes, and then most of the dirt can be rinsed down. Then I use a lot of snow foam so I don't scratch the rims when cleaning. I always work with 4 different brushes to get every detail perfectly clean. Alright, let's move on to the second and very important step, the pre-wash. The aim here is to remove as much dirt as possible before we touch the car. But why is this step so important? The dirtier the car, the more likely you are to scratch it. When you clean your car with the wash mitt and it is still dirty, all the dirt acts like grit. That's why you should never skip the pre-wash, even if you want to polish the car afterwards. Because some scratches could be so deep that they can no longer be corrected. Now it's time for the step that I enjoy the most, the foam wash. But be careful, there is still some dirt on the paint. This step can also cause scratches, so make sure you cover the entire car so that the wash mitt glides better over the paint. Many people on Instagram ask me how I get so much foam out of it. The most important thing here is the foam cannon. Unfortunately, there are many bad products out there. I only use the foam cannon from Koch. As you can see, this sprays really thick foam. So the car's pretty clean, but not perfect yet. I would like to remove the last contaminants from the top layer of paint. So the next step is to clay and dry the car. For this I use the clay towel from ADBL. Then I dry the M2 with the drying towel from Liquid Elements. I always use just high quality and several towels, because even when drying the paint can be scratched. Alright, we are on our most important step, the paint correction. So, with paint correction, we're gonna fix any damage to the clear coat. But before I polish the whole car, I choose the most scratched part for a before and after comparison. Because first, I want to know which pads and polishes I need for the best result. Let's see how many scratches could be removed. The left side was not polished, we just polished the right side in 2 stages. You can clearly see a transition between the left and the right side. 2 stages are enough to correct almost 90% of all defects. So, I'm gonna polish the entire car exactly like that, and then do a final third step to improve the shine and clarity of the paint. For polishing larger parts, I prefer to use the Rupes polishing machines. I'm using the Rupes wool, medium and fine pads, with the heavy cut compound and micro cut from Koch Chemie for all 3 stages. The PXE80 from Flex is the perfect machine for smaller and difficult parts. You can change the attachments quickly and easily. This polisher is a must-have for every detailer. All right, we fixed all the little scratches on this paintwork, so it's time for our last step, the ceramic coating. For this, I use the coating from Koch Chemie. After putting some ceramic on the applicator pad, I apply it to a small area of the paint and wait about 1 minute before wiping it off again. And now, check that out. Look at that beautiful shine. Not only does it look amazing and transforms the look of the car, but it also protects the paint. It is water and dirt repellent, very easy to clean, and all of this lasts up to 3 years. So, before I show you the incredible result, I hope this video was helpful and entertaining for you. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, finally it's time to see the result. I'll show you some before and after comparisons. I cannot believe how great this car came out. Look at this reflection. It's an extremely deep, glossy black. The interior was also thoroughly cleaned. Every speck of dust was removed. Now the car looks like new, and it is time to hand the car over to the customer. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.